So this video is to show you how to install the LETOUR Bicycle horn slash speedometer slash stopwatch slash odometer slash whatever the hell else it is. I had difficult time following instructions, so I'm assuming other people did too. And kudos to the kid who made a video about how to install it, but he didn't show anything about how to set it or anything else, which is the hardest part I figured about installing the LETOUR bicycle light from Amazon. So upon turning the device on, at any point in time, you hold the button, it'll show whatever. If you hold the light, the power button, it turns on your light. If you hold the power button, it turns off your light, but it will never turn this device off until it's not being activated. It just goes on standby. So if you hold both buttons at the same time, it'll manually reset the entire device, right? The first thing it shows is the kilometers blinking. If you hit the minus sign, it'll switch that to miles per hour if you want it. If you don't, then don't mess with it. To set it, you hit the plus sign. Then it shows the circumference of your bike tire. You have to measure your bike tire with a string, wrap it around, and then after you figure out what it is, convert your inches into centimeters, and then, hold on, I gotta do it again, guys. And then, manually reset it, switch it to miles per hour, hit the plus sign, minus 213, so I set mine at 213, and then if you haven't ridden anywhere, you set your odometer to 0 and set whatever else that is to 0, and now it's ready to go. So this is ready. Now, when you install the bike, the speedometer onto your tire, you have to make sure that this magnet and the connection sensor that it hits are no farther than 3 millimeters away. For those that don't know millimeters, that is 0.11 inches, so just a hair bigger than 1/10 of an inch. So it practically has to be touching every time it passes that sensor for it to consider your speed. I would still check it with your cell phone. Set your cell phone on MapQuest or something, and it'll show your speedometer. You know, there's tons of speedometer apps you can set, but this is just to help you for those who have had trouble installing the LETOUR speedometer, how to do that properly. Thank you guys. Have a good day.